All right, boys, we are loaded. Power stroke is loaded. Four-wheeler is loaded. Razor is loaded with all the good stuff. Justin is loaded up here with all the other units. We now got the tag officially put on the Power Stroke. Yeah, we are loaded. Nice trailer, clean truck, and we're ready to go. We are a little behind. Got the camper loaded on Jeremiah's trailer. Justin is yes. And Justin is loaded up with Jeremiah's Razor, Justin's Razor, and Nicole's Razor. So this will be interesting. We got 4 units going down, and we should be good. That looks so sick. I love the truck. Justin is shirtless. He's modeling for Big Tex. Hey, can you show me your Big Tex?
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the setup. Justin on his new wheels, lift, and tires. Gooseneck with 3 razors. We have me with the little trailer, 4-wheeler, and the new Turbo S. Jeremiah with the camper. Justin with some nipples. And yeah, we are pretty good. Old 5.9 Cummins, still putting in work. The 6.7 Power Joke, putting in work. Needs some new freaking headlights. And then the 6.7 Cummins, putting in work. I'm really digging the Pearl. It looks awesome. Looks really good. Really digging it. New haircut as well. Super excited. Super good. Nothing in my eyes. Helmet will be going on great. I'm really excited. Justin, what are they doing? We have some Mr. Coppers out here patrolling the area.
If you look over this way, we got a state trooper right there.
Oh, wow.
And we got, what is that?
City?
Rock Hill?
Yeah,
City?
Rock Hill
Yeah.
finest.
I don't know. They're just hating on us over here, waiting
Yeah,
for us to
hating.
pull out so they can pull us over.
Give us another $500 window tint ticket because that's what we got today.
Right there next to the Red Bull. You know. So I'll just toss that out and maybe they'll give us a pass. But...
All right, progress has been made. Bathroom progress is looking pretty lit. There's a lot of signage going on in here. Kitchen is, you know, it's generally there. Got to put countertops in the sink over here. Living room is here. Fireplace area is fireplace area. Eating area is tool area at the moment, and then shelf area will soon be installed. Grocery trip in the Razor was a success. Back out on the open road. On the road again.
hit it, and I'm like, whoa.
To the waterfall. Everybody's here. Grandma's having fun.
New riding rule, nobody rides without Jeremiah.